Did you watch that, guys? It was amazing watching the trailer. I mean, it was looking too good. I thought that the phone would be not too good like 5G, but it was better than 5G. Guys, after a grand success of, I mean, OnePlus 3 5G had a grand success. I mean, the phone was on the list of top smartphones in the world, guys. But OnePlus 6 is a brand new phone with a brand new design, and it also got a dog design like iPhone X. I mean, iPhone 10. Guys, this this phone has a 256 GB of storage and 8 GB RAM. These phones also have a built-in gaming mode. If you're a gamer, I mean, if you're an Android gamer, you must buy this because it has such a good features like it has a dual camera accessibility, and it has dual camera with 16 megapixel one and second other one with 20 megapixel. So the aspect ratio is awesome in this phone, guys. It has a 6.3 HD resolution uh, display with the infinite display, I mean. And guys, this phone comes with a very brand new black panels and with textures black panel, matte black panel, glossy, and a glass texture black panel. And guys, they have a brand new feature like if you don't like dock, I mean, if you don't like dock, you can hide it. They have options like, I mean, I recommend this to each and every smartphone company to hide the dock option should be in each and every phone. And guys, this phone comes with a pretty brand new cases like nylon, rubber, and many more, guys. You can see on the screen right now. There are almost six available. And guys, this phone also have a Avengers Infinity War edition. I mean Avengers edition, guys. Last time it have really OnePlus 5 has released the Star Wars edition of OnePlus 5T, and now Star Avengers edition OnePlus 6 is pretty awesome and pretty brand new. And guys, this phone with the Avengers edition looks pretty brand new, guys. It only worth 35,000 each and every edition, and it is a limited edition, guys. So you must buy it. Let's look on what we get in this box. I mean, we get a OnePlus 6 phone with a dock charger. I mean, they should have a wireless charger, but dock charger is the most fastest charger in the world, guys. We get a Iron Man power back case and a SIM unlocker pin and I mean a sticker, I think so. And guys, we get a something like arrow market, guys. It looks I mean, I recommend you to buy this. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, get a thumbs up button. Thank you for watching. Bye.